Texila American University's comprehensive guide to optimizing your clinical rotations. Clinical rotations bridge classroom learning to real-world medical practice. Experience internal medicine to surgery through our clinical rotations. Clinical rotations offer direct patient care, enhancing diagnostic and care skills. Experienced mentors navigate intricate cases, delivering insights beyond textbooks. Enhances your adaptability and decision-making, shaping you into a confident medical professional. Fast-tracks your growth as a healthcare professional with an early practical edge. Refine your career path, enhancing both your professional journey and patient care. Harness the power of clinical rotations with Texila American University.